woman in the second half of your life ready to grow something new? Welcome home. You don't need acres of land. You don't need perfect health or even a dream farm to start. You can begin right here with me. Come on in. Hey, sweet one. I'm Aunt C, and welcome to the Backyard Homesteader. My name is Priscilla, but you can call me Aunt C. The crazy corner of the world where we slow down, cook real, clean food, heal with natural remedies, and build a simple homestead life right where we are, even if it's just a few containers on the patio. You don't need acres, a big farm, or even a perfect life to begin. I'm proof of that. I started homesteading in my 60s. I'm going to be 64 here in less than a month. And I'm just in the backyard that I have with the health that I have, which, yeah, I have pretty good health, and with a heart to live differently. And now I'm going to bring you along with me on my journey. Let's do it together. Here on this channel, especially right now during the fall and winter season, here's what you're going to find. Clean, real food cooking, cast iron meals, probably with a carnivore keto spin. I have eliminated carbs from my diet, at least for now, and just cozy dishes that feel like home. Natural, holistic remedies. Oh, that is my heartbeat for sure. And these are things our grandmothers knew. We just like skipped a generation. Do you ever feel like that? It's like, let's go back to our roots and heal ourselves. You'll see backyard and container gardening, what to grow, how to tend to it, and how to make it all work in small spaces. And chickens from my sister's homestead, J&J Farmstead. I can't have chickens where I'm at, but that didn't stop me. No. I have my sister who is ready, willing, and able to go on this journey with me with chickens at her place. So you're going to see footage from that. Let me tell you, a little flock joy goes a long way. It's super fun. And yeah, chicken math is a thing. DIY projects and crocheting. Crocheting is one of my faves. The cozy, creative side of homesteading. Simple living and seasonal rhythm, peace, purpose, gentle routines that support your well-being, and even some online income tips. Yes, I'm an online income nerd because freedom comes from not only health but also wealth. So if you're a woman in the second half of life who's craving peace, purpose, and a bit of homestead magic, this is your home. So settle in, sweet one, grab something warm to sip, and come join me as we build a life that feels natural, nourishing, and truly yours, season by season. Welcome to the Backyard Homesteader. I am so happy you're here. And if this speaks to your heart, make sure you subscribe. Maybe share it with a friend or two. And you're going to want to join my email list because everyone on my email list gets to see everything first, and even some giveaways, just random giveaways, because I love giving. Hopefully you like to receive. If not, I'm going to give you a special anyway. Let's grow your freedom, body, home, and spirit.